Hi guys, welcome to Tech Gadgets in Action. This channel is dedicated to bringing you all things tech, everything from unboxing, setups to reviews, and showing you how it all works. Today we will be looking at the Wyze smart bulbs. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified every time we bring you a new video. So Wyze first announced these back in May. I was able to place a pre-order for $29.99 for a 4-pack with $7.99 shipping. So as with any pre-order, I was anxiously waiting for these to come in, and after about a month and a half, the package finally came in yesterday. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Let's start the unboxing. So let's go ahead and take a look at the front. We can see this is a 4-pack and it does integrate with your Amazon and Google smart home ecosystem along with IFTTT. You can control these with your voice, which we will go ahead and take a look at a little bit later on. So looking at the side, it shows us you can control these with your voice along with making adjustments to the color and brightness. You can also set timers, schedules, and automations. On the back here we have a little bit of technical data showing you the brightness is 800 lumens, which is 60 watt equivalent. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. We start with a quick start guide showing you the basics on what's in the box and how to set it up. We can see the 4 bulbs all individually wrapped. Now immediately the first thing I noticed was that these bulbs were a little bit heavier than what you're used to. They definitely had a nice feel to them. They seem like they're quality built. So to get these set up, we need to start by downloading the Wyze app. It is available for both iOS and Android. So open up your App Store or Google Play Store and go ahead and download the app. Once you have the app downloaded, you will need an account to use your smart bulbs. Now, if you have any other Wyze products already, such as the Wyze Cam, you can go ahead and simply just log in with your existing account. If you do not, just go ahead and create a new account. Tap on New Device and you will notice at the very bottom now you have the option to add a Wyze bulb. The instructions tell you to connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. These bulbs only support 2.4 GHz. And then it says to power cycle the bulbs 3 times to have them enter into pairing mode. So let's go ahead and do that. Tap next and go ahead, select your Wi-Fi network and enter in your Wi-Fi password. Now here it tells you to connect to the Wi-Fi coming from your Wyze bulb. So in your phone settings under Wi-Fi, go ahead, click on the Wyze bulb and come back over to the app. Give it a little bit of time. It does take a little bit of time to get connected, and we'll come right back. So once we are connected, it's going to ask you to choose a name for your device. For our purposes, we're just going to name it Wyze Bulb 1. We will be setting up multiples to test them out later. And there we have it. It looks like it's all set up. If you go ahead, you can see by tapping the off button, the bulb does turn off immediately. and go ahead, tap on, it'll come right back on, and we can go ahead and click on the bulb itself to see the different settings that are available. Now the very first time you do this, it is going to ask you to upgrade the firmware, so go ahead and just click next and let it run and do its thing. So once the update is complete, we can go ahead, tap into the settings and see what we have. We have two sliders. The one on top is to adjust the brightness, and the second one on the bottom is to adjust the color temperature of the bulbs. So now you can see as I slide my finger across the screen, the color of the bulb is changing. So let's go ahead and turn off the lights and see what we're working with. Now one thing to note is that these sliders are not in fixed positions, so you can adjust them more accurately to your liking. As for the brightness, they are fairly bright and compare well to my current LEDs at 800 lumens. Overall, there is a significant variation in brightness from 1% to 100%. I do, however, wish the 1% was a little bit darker. And here, once again, you will see as I'm sliding my finger, you will see the color temperature of the bulb change from a warmer yellow to a cooler white. So incorporating these bulbs into your Google and Amazon ecosystem is fairly simple. On Amazon, you simply just download the Wyze skill and log into your account. For Google, you tap on set up a device and then tap have something already set up. Here you will get a list of options, scroll all the way down to Wyze Home, tap on it, and you will be prompted to log in with your Wyze account. Once connected, you immediately have the options to control your bulbs through Google or through your Amazon ecosystem. So we're going to go ahead and start by testing the bulbs with the Google Home and see what it is capable of. Just a quick warning, if you have a Google Home nearby, it might get triggered on. Let's go ahead and change the brightness. Currently I have it set to 100%, and let's have Google change that down. So, hey Google, change all bulb brightness to 1%.
You got it. Setting 3 lights brightness to 1%.
So you can go ahead and change the brightness. Hey Google, change bulb brightness to 50%.
Sure. Setting 3 lights brightness to 50%.
And you have the option of changing the colors. So let's say, hey Google, change bulbs to candlelight.
Okay, changing 3 lights to candlelight.
Hey Google, change bulbs to ivory.
Sure, changing 3 lights to ivory.
Hey Google, change bulb 1 to candlelight.
Okay, changing bulb 1 to candlelight.
Hey Google, change bulb 2 to incandescent.
Okay, changing
Now
bulb
let's do
2
the
to
same for
incandescent.
Amazon's Alexa. Turn off bulb 2. Alexa, turn off bulb 3.
Few things share the name light. Which one did you want?
Bulb 3. Alexa, change bulb 1 to ivory.
Bulb 1 doesn't support that.
So I found the Amazon Echo to be a little more finicky, and the Google Home seemed to perform much better. No matter how many different ways I tried, I could not get the Echo to change the color on the bulbs. Brightness, it had no issues with. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and found it informative. Please give it a like and hit the subscribe button and bell notification. We are looking forward to doing many more unboxing, setups, review videos along with giveaways. If there's something specific you would like to see, please let us know in the comments below, and we will catch you next time.